What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Vegan Food Near Me, the Detroit edition. Now, this is a very special feature today. Matter of fact, it's a bonus because Detroit got so much good food. So now you guys know, I always take you to Just Vegan Glory, but today I'm gonna take you back to the vegan trap. That's right, Trap Vegan Kitchen. And today I have some vegan ribs, vegan greens, vegan beans, and vegan mac and cheese. So we're gonna do the ultimate taste test today. See what it tastes like, straight from Chef Dunny. Big Trap himself, Big Vegan Trap himself. Before I dive in, everybody always asks me, Reggie, where you get your hoodies from? You see, Just Vegan hoodie. I get it from coolveganshirts.com. That's the #1 place in the world on the internet to get your vegan gear. It's Just Vegan gear. Alright, so let's get into this taste test. First, I'm going to start off with my mac and cheese. You know, it's borderline, it's vegetable anyway because it's vegan. So when I was young, I used to always eat my meat first. Because I ain't grow up vegan. So I used to always eat my meat first. And then some of my, I don't want my vegetables. Or tell my aunt, I don't want my vegetables. And then they flipped it on me. They said, no, when you eat your food, you're going to eat your vegetables first. So now it's been a habit ever since then to eat my vegetables first. Also, all the way to going from eating meat to being vegan, plant-based. You know, gotta save the animals and do it for your health, because health is wealth. So let's taste this mac and cheese. This is good. This is really good. It's a unique flavor, but it's good. It tastes just like mac and cheese. It's like gourmet mac and cheese. Oh yeah. This is really good. Get some more of this. I was gonna try the other stuff, but this is real good. I need 3 bites. This is really good. Try Vegan Kitchen. Oof, they did it again. Now, if y'all watched the last episode where I featured Trap Vegan Kitchen, I had the nachos. Those nachos, they blew my mind. So look back in the archives so you can pull that up and you can see about it. You can learn about it. And then when you're in Detroit, you can pull up and tap in and get you some good food. Alright, so let's try these beans. I love beans. Now just looking at these beans, first thing I notice is the texture. Y'all see that texture? Look at that texture. All that goodness. All that goodness. It's like a stewed texture. Now with this texture, this is more conducive to like how people make beans deep down in the South. When you put it in a crock pot, you put your spices and your seasonings and all that other goodness. And it's what it look like when it's done. Like this by itself is a meal. Like you eat this and some cornbread. Oh my goodness. Or this rice and cornbread. Oh my goodness. That's a meal. But it's the better meal because I get it all at the same time. Like, look at this. I got the beans. I got the greens. I got the mac and cheese. And I got the ribs. The ribs. Mmm. It's a beautiful thing. So let's dive into these beans. Beans, they good for your heart. You eat too much and they help you start, or however it go. Mmm. Oh my goodness. These not no regular beans. This right here is, ooh, this remind me of like a gumbo. This is, you got different spices in it. It's not spicy. Got different spices in it. It's flavorful, very flavorful. Oh my God. Whew. I'm just gonna let y'all know this. I'm only on the second item, but this was worth every dollar. Every dollar. And word on the Detroit streets is he about to start doing meal prep. And I'm usually not one to buy the meal prep thing, because I can cook. I can sit in. But Chef Dunny, he got them blessed hands. And when you eat food like this, you want to keep it in your fridge. So you can just go to the fridge, to the oven, heat it up, and eat it up. This is that good. This the real deal, people. Like, if you live in Detroit and you haven't had this Trap Vegan Kitchen and you're vegan, you're doing yourself a huge disservice. You need to tap in, pull up, and get you some, because whew, this is definitely gourmet vegan food. And I love it. I love it. Like, I'm doing a second episode of it because I love it that much. Plus, I haven't found nobody else in Detroit that's doing vegan ribs with the mac and cheese. Vegan. And the vegan beans don't taste like no regular beans. It's like a meal in itself. It's amazing. Flavor exploding in your mouth, like boom. It's like a vegan July 4th all in my mouth. It's amazing. And now we gotta dive in to these greens. Gotta dive into these greens. Look at these greens. I gotta smell them greens. I love greens. Ooh, I don't even know what type of greens they are, but they look good. They smell good. We gonna dive in. I ain't even got no hot sauce. But when you tasting food, you don't wanna put nothing on it. That's how you really can taste the flavor. If you got a good chef, everything is gonna be flavored. You ain't gonna need to add nothing else. So to get that real deal feel, the real flavor, the real taste test, don't put nothing on it. These greens are really good. Now, for what everybody been waiting on, I'm about to dive in to the ribs. Look at these ribs. Look at these ribs. This is a work of art right here. This is what a masterpiece looks like right here. This is masterful. Now we got the taste test though. And before I jump into this taste test, let me get some more mac and cheese. Cause I need that in my life. With the greens. And the beans. Now, before I dive into the vegan ribs, there's something else that comes with this rib plate. Oh, Reggie, what's that? What you got in that aluminum foil? This, my friends. Oh my God, smells good to me. This, my friends, is the vegan cornbread that come with it. Because what's a vegan plate, vegan barbecue plate, without cornbread? You need that. So I'm gonna taste this cornbread, and we're gonna see what it do. Plus, it's gonna help cleanse my palate, so I can really taste the full body flavor of this vegan ribs. So let's tap in. Warm. Hold up. Hold on. This is not no regular cornbread. It's sweet. It got its own flavor profile. I'm tasting jalapenos, so it's like a jalapeno cornbread, but it's sweet and it's not spicy. It just has the essence of the jalapeno, that flavor of the jalapeno, but no heat, just big flavor. This is amazing. I always wanted to try jalapeno cornbread. Chef Dunny, if you watching this video, I take my hat off to you, but my hands full right now. Let me get some more of that. Yum, yum, eat 'em up, eat 'em up. Yum, yum, eat 'em up. Oh, I got some in my beard. Let me knock that out. Let me knock that out. All right. So now, the taste test. Oh, baby. Now, as you can see, comes with a stick, so you really don't gotta pick it up. It's like a bone, but it's not a bone, it's a stick. And look what it say on it. Can y'all see that? It say vegan. It say vegan. But anyways, look at that. It got that sauce on it. Cause it's not vegan ribs without sauce, right? You need sauce. If your sauce is good and your vegan rib is good, then it's all good. Anyways, let's tap in. As you can see, we got the saucy rib. It got the green onions on there. So the green onions has a nice separate profile that builds mucho flavor, big flavor. Yes, I just spoke a little bit of Spanish on y'all. but mucho flavor, much flavor, big flavor. Now let's see what this tastes like. Everything else been good so far. So this gotta be good. This the main event right here. Mm. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my God. Time out. Oh my God. Hold on. These are the best vegan ribs I ever had in my life. Somebody call the vegan Grammys right now, because I'm nominating Chef Dunny. And I'll comment where you want me to go next, what restaurants you want me to try. And I'll pull up, I'll fly in, and I might make a video. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time. It's been another episode of Vegan Food Near Me, the Detroit edition. Peace.